What's up, guys? So today's finally the day I'm going to different thrift stores. Wow! It's the video that I talked about since late December, and I just haven't done anything like that because I got sick in January. Now, I thought it'd be a good idea to do it. So did my friend, and you may have noticed that this video has been uploaded on February 8th, which means it is now my 20th birthday. But no one really cares about that. You came to see thrift store videos, so here's the thrift store video.
Is there something I can show you?
Oh no, I'm just looking, sorry.
No problem.
Actually, there is something down there. I just want to see if that's a camera. It's that little
It
bag
is.
with the...
Ooh. Wow.
Oh, it's a Nikon.
Oh, my sister has a Nikon.
I'll keep this in mind for Allie.
Ooh,
She's
that's
been
nice.
looking for a camera, yeah. Here you go.
Oh.
From the comedic mind of Bill Cosby. Oh, they did move games. They did.
Oh,
The Sims
I have
3.
The Sims 3. Pokemon on VHS. Oh,
Wake
heck
up
yeah.
Snorlax.
Oh.
I'm getting this. I'm getting these.
Do you have a VCR?
No.
Oh my gosh, there's PS2 games in here. There's PS3 games in here. This is Scott the Boss's dream.
And this is his nightmare.
No, not. Oh, there's CDs. I didn't even realize. There's.
Yeah.
Oh, they have a lot of stuff. Oh my gosh, I didn't even see the original Xbox game. A Wii Fit box complete.
There's two of them.
Oh, there is two of them.
There's Wii Fit and Wii Fit Plus.
Huh. Oh my god, is this Guitar Hero? Oh my gosh, it is. Yo!
What are you doing, Switch?
What is? Oh, it's a lightning cable. How much is this? Okay.
This is actually like...
No way, it's $299. Oh, look at that stereo system. Dang. All right, show us the haul.
200 Robux for I Choose You Pikachu and Wake Up Snorlax.
We're gonna try Savers now. They might have a VCR.
Or a 3D printer where I can 3D print a VCR.
Look at this genius right here. This genius design.
3D printing.
Yeah.
You earn panel gaps like that. Unless you own a Tesla, you didn't earn that. You bought that.
I'm thinking of uploading this on my birthday.
That would be epic.
That would be pretty.
Do your fans hate gay people? Just asking for science.
No way, an Oregon license plate.
PlayStation Network!
No way! PSN!
Dude, there was such a funny license plate I saw the other day. It literally said poo YTP. Like,
Someone definitely still has the humor from 2008. Oh my god, AI stuff.
we're officially in the age of get rid of your air fryer.
Oh, that's just sad.
Wait, we had one of these.
Oh, what is that?
You put so you take this off. You put a soap cartridge in here, and you attach it to your hose.
Oh, and it makes bubbles and
on.
stuff?
Yeah, when you spray your car, it, like, you can switch
Oh.
to different kinds. Shut up.
Oh my gosh, DVD player.
I saw a PS2 and a PS3, PS2 Slim and a PS3 Slim here on the same day.
Really?
Yeah.
What is this? Is this a phone? It's a
Yeah.
house phone. Okay. What is this? Oh, it's a sound bar.
These are actually
You want a sound bar?
no.
I think you want a sound
I
bar.
don't think I want a sound bar.
Look, it's the keyboard that like every office worker uses. Some fans, some shredders, printers, monitors.
Whoa. What the? They have a bar over here for a reason.
Oh yeah, you could just plug it in.
This looks professional. Like, left side doesn't open.
Right side opens. Will we try the left one again? Oh, it does open.
Liar.
No VCRs.
No.
Oh, they have a PS3 Super Slim. That PS3 Super Slim.
Yeah, with an Ender 3 and a Elegoo Sunloo.
I wonder how much that PS3 is. I can't see that. I don't think there is a thing on it, is there? Yeah, Savers isn't really the best.
Yeah.
For this.
Nice.
They still. Are they still selling
iPad
it?
9, yeah.
Oh, it's dead.
It's got the camera.
Oh, there we go. It was just shut down. Turn on. Oh, you're at 6%.
What's that?
I want to plug it in.
Wait, this looks like an iPad screen.
Oh. This iPad just died. Why are all these unplugged? What's up?
I have a horribly unpopular opinion.
What's up?
This is an improvement.
You actually like the photos? Get out of
this
the store.
is an improvement.
No, get out of the store right now.
All I use my Photos app for is library, scroll down, media types. And this is actually an improvement. I like this. I'm not even kidding. I'm not even trying to like rage bait. This is an improvement. I actually like that.
Oh yeah, it's Apple's like Alexa replacement.
I've actually used that. It's not bad. I like it.
Oh my, look how big the trackpad is compared to my hand. Oh my gosh.
It's genuinely the reason why I considered getting this over the framework, and then I realized, oh my god, wait, an actual graphics card.
I've heard really good things about this.
I have.
I feel like this is actually a really good deal for like what it's worth. I feel like this is like the best bang for your buck right now. To the Salvation Army store. Oh my god. Oh.
It was pretty barren yesterday.
Alright. Oh, stereos.
Disc, compact disc, 3 CD system, audio controller. This is a receiver. Oh, it's heavy. This one actually has a subwoofer connect.
Oh.
I don't think mine does. So this one might actually be better. There's a projector.
Wait, what? Oh. I didn't even see that up there. Looks water damaged.
Your mom.
Wow.
Oh, it's for displaying photos. That's cool.
That is cool. What is this?
It's like another carousel projector.
Are these car mirrors? I think these are truck mirrors. Oh, thank you. I need to upgrade my cooler.
You do.
Oh my gosh, it actually is a laptop cooler.
I need this for my framework. There's no way to power this.
Wait, can I see this?
Yeah, there's no...
It's probably just USB power.
gross.
Knock off Apple Magic Mouse? What kind of batteries does this take? Wait, is this even a mouse?
What are you?
Oh my gosh. Yeah, what is this? Wait, these open. This one opens, I think.
Screws.
So you're probably wondering what I got, and the sad thing is, I didn't actually get anything. I did want to go back and get that PS3 Super Slim that was at that Savers, but we were already running out of time and I needed to get home and so did he, so I just didn't end up getting it. So if you have enjoyed this video and you want to see more, make sure to leave a like, maybe even subscribe if you're new, subscribe to my buddy Purple Wizard, or as he is now known as Funny Man, and I will see you guys in the next one.